Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the amazing redox reaction between acidified potassium dichromate and hydrogen peroxide. Check this out. For this experiment, we'll use 18 molar concentrated sulfuric acid, 35% hydrogen peroxide, an aqueous solution of potassium dichromate, a petri dish, and a 200 milliliter graduated cylinder. Begin by adding 100 milliliters of an aqueous solution of potassium dichromate to a graduated cylinder. Next, acidify the solution by adding a few drops of concentrated 18 molar sulfuric acid. In a separate beaker, add 50 milliliters of 35% hydrogen peroxide. Okay, now we're ready for this amazing redox reaction. Right now my chromium ion is at a +6 oxidation state, but when I add it to my 35% hydrogen peroxide, it'll change to a +3 oxidation state, but so will its color. Check this out. Look at that, all at once, from an orange to a deep purple. Isn't that amazing? And after just a few minutes, the entire solution will turn clear again. Check it out. Here's another look at the same reaction in a petri dish. Here's my chromium 6 ion that I'm going to add to the hydrogen peroxide, and look what happens. It immediately changes from a +6 to a +3 oxidation state. And it loses its color in just a few moments. Look at that.
Here's the balanced equation for this amazing redox reaction. We start with the reactants potassium dichromate, hydrogen peroxide, and sulfuric acid. We have 1 mole of potassium dichromate, that's the K2Cr2O7. We have 3 moles of hydrogen peroxide, that's the 3H2O2. And 4 moles of sulfuric acid, that's the 4H2SO4. When those reactants are combined in an aqueous solution, it creates the products chromium 3 sulfate, oxygen, water, and potassium sulfate. We have 2 moles of chromium 3 sulfate, that's the 2Cr2SO43. We have 3 moles of the diatomic molecule of oxygen, that's 3O2. 4 moles of water, that's 4H2O, and 1 mole of potassium sulfate, that's the K2SO4. This is a reduction oxidation reaction because the chromium ion in potassium dichromate is being reduced. As it gains electrons, it changes from an oxidation state of +6 to +3, whereas hydrogen peroxide is being oxidized as it loses electrons, producing oxygen gas.
I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.